2018 Thor Motor Coach Axis RUV 24.1 for sale in Allenwood, New Jersey 08720. Spread your wings and fly with this 2018 Thor Motor Coach Axis RUV 24.1. This Class A motorhome is 25.5 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Ford V10 24.1 engine mated with an 6-speed automatic transmission. This RV has one slide-out, one awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 8 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, new GPS, automatic leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 7,366 miles, you can rest assured that this Thor will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Axis RUV 24.1 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with 3-burner stove/oven and large microwave refrigerator/FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinetteTelevisionSurround, SoundDVD/CD/StereoTwo, reclining ChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerNew doors on bathroom, master king bed turns into 2 separate BedsSleeping/storage area above driver seats with LadderTelevision, master storage closet/DresserTwo, remote control, FansExterior entertainment with television. Never use Transferrable XtraRide service contract program effective until 5/11/2022. New Sirius radio added in DecemberTow package, brake ControllerCummins generator with 22.7 hours and so much more. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Axis RUV 24.1 is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Thor is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2018 Thor Motor Coach Axis RUV 24.1.